would just buy chicken for
So it's
instead.
4?
Yeah, you can see my God how
I
slow
can
you
see
are.
it because, oh yeah, it's
I'm
yeah.
beautiful, right?
Yeah.
And one burger McDo.
Yeah, go.
There's something wrong with my eye.
Wow.
What's wrong with your
Maybe
eye?
your what you
Yeah,
about the
the
fries?
makeup, the eyeliner.
let's go there. Let's wash our hands and also your.
Yeah.
It's irritating.
Yeah, let's wash.
Maybe
it.
you're
Just
allergic.
wait, just wait. What,
You know.
what about the
Because
fillet?
Auntie
I
Jabel
mean the
told me
fries.
a while ago that the
There's
makeup
no
is already
fries.
expired.
You want
Oh my
to-
God,
you're
that's so
going to
dangerous.
with us.
You let me
No,
use the
your
makeup.
fries, the
Oh.
fries. Will you still buy?
Are we going to still buy
Fries?
fries?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I
How about you?
don't
You
It's
don't.
59 pesos. If
Yes,
you want to
and-
buy, let's just, you know.
1, 2, 3,
Yeah,
4,
contribute.
5, and fries.
7, 8, 9, 10,
Tigatan
11.
na lang tayo. We're going
What?
to
Why?
10 pesos and you're going to pay
No.
20 pesos.
You're going to buy 15. I want to buy 15 also.
Me?
Yeah,
I
15.
have no money.
You have a lot of coins there. Come on. Come on.
I have no
Can you join me
money.
in the CR
I-
first before we go?
You just
Yeah.
said
No.
No, you
If we are
bought.
going to
Yeah.
first, we're going to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you will go downstairs alone.
Yeah.
You're boss-bossahan me.
No.
You're binobosahan na me.
I wanna go
CR
to-
Bond.
Yeah. But
Are you
I'm not going to
here?
wash.
No, stay here.
You stay here. You stay.
Please. Please, for a while.
You stay.
You count that
Bye.
person. Bye.
I'm begging. Because we're here.
Hey guys, there's no customers here.
Hello, friend. Kapatid ni Fer.
Oh my God. Ferry. Hi. Hi, Ferry sister.
Nice meeting you, ate.
Bye.
Ate ba? Ate?
So,
I am so
hello.
sorry.
And we're here
He's
in
beautiful.
McDo.
He's more beautiful
Yeah,
than
than you.
No,
CR.
than Ferry.
Oh my gosh, how dare you
My
compare
finger is
them?
so dirty.
We're aware.
And they're washing their hands.
You
I mean,
break
they're
up
washing.
my back. And oh my god, I feel so irritated.
What? Irritated?
You're
You're
washing their toes.
I wanna wash too.
The palm.
You wash
Oh
your
my God.
feet. You wash
It's
your
automatic.
feet.
It's
You
not
wash
like-
your feet.
Oh my god.
Washing of the feet, come on.
They're drying their hands.
Yes, we're drying our hands.
I wanna
Oh,
wash
stop
too.
it.
Experience. I want experience.
Oh, it's good. Do it.
Ah.
Oh, it's stopping.
I'm going to Taki.
Me too. Oh my
why?
God.
You're shocked.
Why? There's something.
There's no.
Air's coming out.
Because don't put your hands because your hands so dirty and this what do you call this automatic hand dryer is being
About
polluted. because
Oh,
of
you
your
just
hands.
read. You just read what's
No,
written there.
Yes, it's
Look at that.
Oh,
Automatic
hand
dryer.
Yeah, I intentionally did that. Oh my god, it's not my. Okay, finish.
Oh my God.
Wow, what are you doing there? Oh my God, that's so
What are you doing there?
that's so annoying.
Look at here.
Oh my God.
Sa akin ayaw.
Because you're polluting the automatic hand dryer.
Get out.
Oh,
Get out.
There are times it's getting hot and times it's getting cold. Stopping.
I'm afraid.
I'm afraid
I
also.
am afraid. I was scared. Don't buy me anything. Oh my god.
It's so hot.
Oh my god, it was recorded. You're gonna cut that part, okay?
No, I'm not.
Because I felt something unusual.
What?
No, it's just okay. But come on now, we need manpower here.
Wait.
You're so ignorant.
I'm just gonna dry my hand.
Also, you're telling us that you're
Oh my God, what?
Wait.
Conversion. And the left. The low song.
Here we go
The
downstairs.
The full torture.
Annoying.
Oh, I need
Uglying.
Captivating.
I'll just buy
What? You can just buy inside. Can you hold it for a second? I'm just going to tie my shoes.
Yeah. I will.
50 pesos.
Yeah, you also speak
Well, I'm
Hoy.
speaking.
Bon, let's try. Hello.
Are you fixed now? You
Yeah.
speak. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go now. Where? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
We're going to buy here. You're going to buy here.
What are you going to buy?
There's strawberry
Because
because.
there's a
Oh,
strawberry
yeah.
of
Come on.
Available.
Come on. Can you wait? You just cut it. Okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Ay, kuya. 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 Kuya.
Who's Korea?
Yeah. Kuya. Kuya.
What are you gonna eat?
Baka isang strawberry lang.
Miss konti lang yung ice kung kayo. Wala tayo kung pineapple.
Hi. Don't be so
What?
Don't be so
What so?
don't be so near because my feet is my
Oh, near.
My feet is my weak. Yes. For children and the regular food plus what? Yeah. One burger McDo. Thank you. 1,000, 2,000. At just lang ate. 3,000! Congratulations! At just lang ate.
What? That's just lang ate.
Ay, sister!
And there they go.
Look at the strawberry.
Boyfriend,
The viscosity.
dito ano macro.
Yes.
Yes,
Rainbow
lychee.
flow.
Yes, lychee, melon, like
That's
that.
not new.
Why? Yeah, it's here.
No, it's not new.
This,
They have it
yeah.
last year.
This place in here so that we can be able to manifest our salvation in the name of the Lord. I know.
Salvation?
It's math. Real things. No.
Oh, don't touch this.
Can you please lemon? Can you please it together?
Huh?
Can you please?
Dalawa lang.
Ate, pwede mo lemon yung isay? At lemon yung sinji. Lemon. Ay, pinipal. Oh, what? What? Ay, wala. Ay, sorry. Balik ka na ng next time sa PGD5. Thank you po.
Ate, magpatensya nyo na kasi sillag ngayon.
What?
Oh my God. It's social media.
You carry it.
Yung
I'm
mga
gonna, you know. Who?
Oh my God, no!
Who?
Bapakino.
Who?
What?
I said who?
Ah, you don't need to know it.
Oh yeah.
Instinct, friend.
The dancers?
Oh my God, you're recording. Someone will...
No.
Mama, ano mo order niyo ba?
Ah!
Ito manap mo? Yung red na bag? Itong brown na bag?
Okay. Let's have a prayer first. And Crystal will lead us.
No, you lead.
Interpretative dance.
No, you lead.
No?
Contemporary, please.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Nice meeting you.
Bye.
Yeah.